Difference between English literature and English history. Every man belongs to his race and age, and no matter marked how his personality, the esprit of his race and age finds expression through him. Thus, a history of English literature has a national as well as a personal character and interest. Everything that is good or evil has entered into the making of a nation's life, has also entered into the texture of its literature. In other words, we can say that ordinary English history is a nation's biography, while its literature is its autobiography. In English history, we read the story of individuals' actions and practical achievements. In English literature, we go through the story of a nation's intellectual and moral development. English literature observes the inner life of each successive generation. It learns at first hand how it looked at life and what it thought about it. On the other, English history looks at the political life of a nation. It talks about victory and defeat of individuals belonging to the ruling class. In a nutshell, English literature is progressive revolution of the mind and esprit of the English people, whereas English history is a chronological account of people's actions and their consequences. Thank you.